I am an architect. I had a client who wanted me to design a villa for him in Tabriz. My client needed a villa with these spaces: living room, kitchen, dining room, 2 master bedrooms, laundry room, 3 toilets, 2 bathrooms. I started working. The first thing I did was to write a plan for each space based on the area I needed for that space. According to this plan, the living room should be 35 square meters. The kitchen should be 20 square meters. The dining room should be 12 square meters. And the master bedroom should have an area of 42 square meters each. The next step was to design a bubble diagram for this program. The entrance is the first part of any villa. After the entrance, I wanted them to enter the living room. And I am considering a toilet inside the living room for the guests. I don't want any of the spaces of the villa to be directly connected with each other. So I consider a dividing hall as a communication space between my spaces. From this space, you can access the kitchen, dining room and rooms. I thought to myself that it would be better if I design a large space with 2 functions instead of 2 small spaces. So I combined the kitchen and the dining room, and considered them as one space. Now my space connection diagram is complete. Based on the bubble diagram that I drew, I came to the conclusion that in this design, dividing space is the most important part of my design. I had 4 main spaces that communicated with each other through the partition space. This means 4 inputs. So I designed a square so that I could have an entrance on each side of it. I continued each side of the square to one side only to have a shape like a plus sign. Now I drew a bigger square around all my parts. Now, if we look at the map, we will see that we have a small square and 4 rectangles. I designed the kitchen and dining room in the rectangle above. I put the laundry room in the corner of the kitchen. I designed the living room in the lower rectangle and placed the entrance in one of its corners. I designed the public toilet in the same corner. I want to use the remaining 2 rectangles to design my master bedroom. A master bedroom is a bedroom that has 3 small spaces inside. These small spaces include bathrooms, WC and walk-in closets. I cut each of these 2 rectangles in half. One part for the bedroom and another part for the walk-in closet and bathroom. I have the part that was for the walk-in closet and bathroom. In one part, I designed the toilet together with the bathroom. In the next part, the walk-in closet. I allocated the remaining space to the bedrooms. Now my design is finished and I have a wonderful plan for a villa as well as a satisfied customer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.